Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you some common dock maintenance for the Yeedi S14 Plus. This product's linked in the video description, so do your shopping from there. First, we'll start at the very top of the station. We have our dirty and clean water tanks, so you want to remove those and clean those periodically. In here, there's really not much you should ever have to do, but you can wipe it down occasionally. I believe we have a little drainage hole right there, so make sure that's free from obstructions. Same with the three water inlets here, or outlets, whatever you want to call them, depending on which tank. But anyways, the clean water is going to go down in through here, and then the dirty water will come out through these. So that's what we got going on there. Clean in, dirty out. So just keep an eye on those up at the top and wipe down as needed. There's nothing you should have to do to the sides of the unit or even the bottom for that matter. So that leaves us the middle cover here that we can remove just by pulling the cover off. On this side, there's nothing you should do here. You can store some extra vacuum bags or accessories right in there as you see fit. On this side, we can easily swap out the vacuum bag when needed. And in here, you can use some compressed air if you notice any dirt or dust that's starting to collect in here. And then at the very bottom, don't forget this tray is removable, so it makes cleaning and maintenance very simple and straightforward for the station. This should be the only thing you have to worry about in here. You can occasionally wipe this down at the bottom and check the charging contacts for any obstructions or buildup. Same with our water inlet right there. And then we have our self-empty channel here. If you ever notice any debris starting to build up in there, you can just grab and clean that as needed. And don't forget, if the ramp ever gets dirty, you can just pop that cover right back off and you could give this a rinse down as well. Simple, straightforward station. It really takes care of itself.